Understanding forte in English. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a term you might have come across in English conversations or readings, forte. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and some examples to solidify your learning. Let's get started. Forte is borrowed from the Italian language, where it means strong. Over time, it has been integrated into English and adapted to our language nuances. Although in music, especially when referencing volume, it is pronounced forte in common English usage, both forte and fort are acceptable pronunciations. When we use forte in English, we're referring to a person's strong point or the thing they are particularly good at. It's the thing that they excel in more so than other areas or activities. Example, cooking Italian dishes is her forte. This means that the person is especially skilled in cooking Italian dishes. To really get the hang of it, let's look at some examples. 1. Math was never my forte. 2. Writing poetry is his forte. 3. While she is good at many sports, tennis is definitely her forte. 4. Designing websites is not my forte, but I can help with content. Through these examples, you can see how forte emphasizes the strength or proficiency of an individual in a specific area. A common misconception is that forte only refers to professional or serious skills. This isn't true. It can refer to any skill or passion, whether it's baking cupcakes, juggling, or even telling jokes. For example, making people laugh is her forte. Alright, folks. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the word forte in English. It's a wonderful term to know and use, allowing you to appreciate and acknowledge yours and others' strengths. Keep practicing and incorporate forte into your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!